Hello, everyone. My name is Michael. Today I am going to talk about the where to go second of my blog about Bogota. I chose this song because I think this place is the most interesting and beautiful in my city. The first place in Montserrat in its Usan of the most popular tourist attractions in Bogota. You can go up by cable car or vehicular. From the top you can see the whole city. You must take pictures because the view is incredible. Incredible. You should also try the traditional food there. The second place, La Candelaria. It is the older and most historic neighborhood in Bogota to can observe the stain and look at colorful views. Lumos around the area because in full of historic and culture you could also see down in a cafe and enjoy the atmosphere. In conclusion, Monserrate and La Candera are two places that everyone to visit in Bogota because they, they are sack you for listening goodbye.